All right, we got the other module up.
We just stuck that wire on there.
Got cute puppies over there.
Got his butt in the air.
Got his butthole hanging out in the air. Hey, oh.
Did you wake him up again? How did we have this? I don't remember. I'm thinking not like that.
It was like up over the oil line.
I'm thinking it goes differently. I'm thinking like it goes over this direction like this.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that looks better.
So am I.
Right around the exhaust pipe.
Yeah, that looks brilliant. That's why we got the conduit on there. Hey man, relax.
It's not falling off at all.
You gotta fix that.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know.
Hey Scooby, did he wake you up? What are you doing?
Hey buddy. He wants in on this.
I'm gonna come out and help. He's gonna come in and help here.
Oh bud.
He knows I need help. What are you doing there, Scooby? What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Oh, playtime? You and I could play and still work together. What are you doing? Yeah. The brake light switch is in the way.
Oh.
Get that crow. Uh-oh. Something got way back there. I ripped it off, whatever it was. Look at that.
There we go. Fancy.
I don't know about that, but I don't like how that went. That's probably how you had it, though.
That's how you put it last time.
Doesn't mean I like it. I don't like it. I'm changing it. I don't care if that is how you had it last time. I'm going to go up over the top of the motor mount bolt. Right underneath that battery box you got over there.
It's so cute.
Jam that wire up through there even though it doesn't want to go. Look at that. That's up above the frame. Rope wire right there. Look at that. We'll just wrap this around the kicker a couple times. Look, I got dirty.
I think you're good.
Oh, you're good. I'm dirty. Ah. All right. So now we're all the way back to here. We got a module.
For these guys.
Okay, looks like I can just cut it right at the end of that tubing. Hook it right into there, it'll be fine. Okay. Test fit's done. Pull that off. Okay. Which wire you want?
We need 3. Oh wait, yeah.
Which connectors too?
Yeah. Need pink, white, and blue.
Which ones are we doing? Females? Females. Here's the dikes. You know what dikes are?
How you doing, bro?
What's up, man?
Hey, you think that? What do you think?
Pretty fancy. Might work. Let's see. I got a lot of.
You need pipe dope too, because I brought some.
Yeah, I'll need some, yeah. Is that the right length?
Fucking hope so.
Too late now.
Yeah, we might have a little bit of an issue if it is not.
Did I sharpen this today? Yeah, that's perfectly sharp. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really sharp. that. Cuts in like butter.
There you go. And through the other side.
I'm good with that. As long as we don't cut the wires on the other side.
Yeah.
Did you return your call?
Yeah.
It appears I didn't leave a message. If you don't leave a message, I cannot return the call. Very important. Is that enough?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah, it should be good.
But you're not sure?
Yeah.
Not that much. You like that better?
Yeah, that looks better.
As long as you like it. Clip. Oh, cut the wire off. I've done that.
Yeah.
It's usually too short when you do that.
You think?
Usually. Okay, what color do you want?
We want these three, which are white, blue,
We
and
don't
pink.
want the violet and we don't want the green.
Yeah. So we want to fold those back.
These two here we don't want.
Yeah.
The weather tore that thing up. I remember when we put that up, Keenan.
So what
It's
up?
hard. We beat that thing to death.
Yeah, the wind kicked its
I'll
ass.
blow my head up there? Yeah.
Huh?
They don't make them as good as they used to.
Yeah.
Wind kicked the shit out of it.
You took the fucking put the El Camino on the ground?
That one didn't work. No, it's on wheels. See that shitty white tarp though? It holds up.
Yeah, I see that.
The heavy duty tarp.
That's when we spent all the time getting it all tighter than shit.
Yeah.
That's probably why it ripped up.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little piece of crap is still there. No, it's on the El Camino's on it's on the wheels. It rolls. Can't turn it, but it rolls.
Oh, does it?
It doesn't turn. But
The wheels are inside the wheel well.
Oh. Kenny, how come you didn't fucking put your car in the fucking yard? I could have had that parking spot.
It's an asshole.
Fucking dick.
You know, you could have called and told me that you wanted that spot out front, and we could have made arrangements for a small fee. You missed all the ambulance and fire engines going by earlier.
Yeah.
What fire?
There was some whole bunch of ambulance and fire engines flying around earlier.
Really?
Yeah. Lincoln parked right over here, just up the street.
I think they were looking for Walker.
Yeah, that's why I was keeping inside.
Is that swing arm mounted to the frame rigidly?
No, that's a bolt-on rigid from Santee. Got it for $100.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
See, cheap people
I
like
love that
me,
fucking lunch pill.
cheap
Yeah,
asses like me actually
that's a-
run struts on swing arms to frame.
Right.
That's how I do it.
Yeah.
I'm really cheap. Okay, there's our two wires tucked up in there in case we need them. And they're different lengths, so they can't short each other. So now we only got our 3 wires left that we actually want. Okay, and those are going to go into here.
It's a cool fucking bike, dude.
Thanks, man.
I mean, she stripped bones, huh?
Yeah. There's
I got some spoil on the bagger.
yeah.
It's a real
I
hard
got
ass.
no. Technically, it is a bagger if you look at the other side.
Oh, I see it. This is hard. This is fucking hard ass here, dude.
It's a lot of fucking
Put your
fun.
lady on this thing?
Which one?
Anyone.
Yeah, no, I haven't fucked with it yet. I don't know how many pegs for him.
Oh,
Sorry for swearing.
yeah.
Not allowed to swear on the
Oh,
YouTubes.
I'm getting the coverage, right?
Yeah, on the YouTubes we're not allowed to
PG plus.
PG-13.
Is that what they call it?
Is that gate unlocked? I'm going to stay out front to make sure if somebody doesn't move their car, then I can steal their spot. So I'm kind of a little bit blocking the welding shop's driveway. Just a little bit.
Well, you can squeeze in my spot if you want.
In the driveway? Yeah, we can do that. Is the gate unlocked?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Scoop's not going to get out, right?
Well, half of it's unlocked.
yeah.
Make sure Scoop doesn't get out.
There. You have to figure out which one does what. Okay, so I wonder how long to make this. want to keep it short down here, but not too short. So that goes up in there. Our pins go right to here.
I'll move it.
Here's how long our pin is.
Sir?
So that means we're only going to be about this long here.
This is a pool. Can't.
Okay. So that's where you want to make them at.
Okay.
So you figure that out?
Yep.
And if I did it right, it should be correct. Then you make them all the same length. Like that. We got excess, look at that.
The factory says you don't need that stuff.
Factory's always right.
Yeah, we only pay engineers millions of dollars to develop this, but you don't need it.
That's right.
Yeah, you're good.
You're good.
Cost extra.
Yeah.
You should have seen it. We plugged in my old one, my old module, and it said that I didn't do any revving under 3,500.
Really?
Yeah.
Wide open throttle with
Like
1,600 hours or something.
Yeah.
You load it on your download on your laptop?
Oh no, we put it up here.
Oh.
And so we're seeing, like, it tells you how many times you started it and shit. So
Really?
yeah,
Wow.
yeah, it's pretty wild.
That's cool.
See, my ignition actually does that when I ride my bike, but most people don't drive them quite that hard.
That one shield comes in handy on your leg, huh?
That thing's fucking. That thing's great, man. It's, I burned a hole through one of my shoes coming back from the flat track races.
Really?
Up at
Wrong?
yeah, no, at Del Mar.
You rode it up there?
Yeah, I rode this up there, but before I had the heat shield on there, I burned a big old hole in my Vans.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and I didn't even feel it because it was so cold out.
Where's the phone?
Oh, in the toolbox.
Such a good dog.
Okay, there's one down. So this this is the press and form style connectors here. So these go in there like that. When you put the wire until you just touch the edge of this plate, and then you squeeze it down like that with a ratchet,
Yeah.
and you poke it in there.
You want me to put it back on the charger? You're gonna call this guy back.
What?
Phone.
I don't care. I can call him. He's busy.
He's got your money.
So
He said he's got your money.
I don't care.
First time I've ever heard that.
Yeah, right? No one believes him, though.
Down here working. Leave me alone.
Yeah, see, you don't want to talk about money, huh? How's the wind on the freeway on this?
Not
Knocked around a
bad.
little bit?
A little. Not too bad though.
Because I rode a full dresser. I have a full dresser also.
Yeah.
And it's like, you know, you're fucking spoiled on that thing.
Yeah.
Then I got my Road King, no fairing.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah. You can get kind of.
Well, it feels like it's pulling me off the bike.
Yeah.
The wind's insane on my Road King compared to my full bagger.
Yeah.
But now I enjoy riding it.
Yeah.
I'm used to riding it now. I
Yeah.
haven't rode my bagger in a long time. Well, probably about a month.
It's a long time.
Yeah. I'd rather ride the Road King now.
All right. Here we go.
And now we got to make sure that they're in the proper sync, right?
What? You want to make sure they go in the right hole.
Yeah, man.
Damn, you want
That's what she said.
Yep.
Took a right hole.
Put it in the right hole. Oh yeah, here. This is what I was talking about earlier.
What?
Whoa. Did it
Well, it
break
vibrates.
It's all right. It's fine.
Yeah. No, it's
It's fine.
Is it ripped?
no.
Oh, it's good.
It's broken in.
See how it's like coming out now?
What's coming out?
It's coming out from the side.
Off the intake?
It's on there.
And I don't like the vibration on it when I'm looking down, going really fast on the freeway.
Well, don't look at it then. Jeez. Picky.
Yeah, I gotta fix.
Pretty much the carburetor fell off, but that's the exhaust part. Alright. Now for the fun part.
Hello? Yeah.
It's been a lot easier on a rack. You know that, don't you?
What?
You're up on the rack, this has been a lot easier.
Oh yeah. Oh, your racks are full, so.
Yeah, I noticed. Okay, now for the next problem.
No, it should clamp through it. Yeah, there's a little technique for them. Do you buy all the hardware?
Where's the other one over there?
Yeah. Right.
All right. Okay, we got the clip. Goes like that. We get a rubber goes in there. That's your seal.
Yeah, they're a little tricky. I would probably put the top on first. Unhook the bottom from the crash bar. The bottom piece of the crash bar.
Okay, it appears
Hook all
the
that
pink
shit up first
wire.
and then swing it back down and do that piece. Yeah, because it's going to fight you.
Ah,
That look when I pulled up at the house,
there we go.
yeah, don't have that.
Touch
So
fight.
check that and then let me know.
Okay, the pink wire goes right there.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's going to fight you like hell.
I
It
need
doesn't
an
want to line
nose.
up. It doesn't want to go
The
off
what?
the end.
Need a nose right behind you.
All right, brother.
Here's our needle nose.
Needle or nurse.
Okay. So the pink wire goes right there on the top. Sticking the pliers like that. Okay, what's the next one over? Next one's white. Now you notice I left myself a lot of room to make this easy.
Yep.
That means this other one, blue,
Goes at the bottom.
must be the other one. Click. Click. Click.
Click.
Hear all the clicks?
Yep.
If you notice they're all up here on the top where they belong. Give me that pin right there, the wedge. Stick the wedge in there, that locks them in so they can't move. They're in. Then you come by here and hook up your other piece to that. Notice there's lots of room in here. It clicks in. Then you double check to make sure your colors are right. So we got pink and white. Pink and white. I can't see the blue, so we're good. Lays back in there. Cable shouldn't be below the frame, is it?
Nope.
Yeah, it's tucked up where it belongs. Still got some free play in there.
Plus
Alright.
we have room still left up here.
Yeah, but that doesn't pull out the same as with the sleeve on it connected. The sleeve protects it here. But we also have the sleeve in here now that you didn't have before.
Yeah.
So that helps eliminate chafing coming through that hole. It's got some sharp edges still in there even though we deburred it.
Yeah.
Okay, now what do we do up in the coil for rewiring the coil?
What do you mean? It's wired normally?
That we had to modify it or something.
No.
Flashlight. Where's that light? Okay, you have white to the rear, black to the front. Not sure what the black one is for. So the other one connected to it. Black. So obviously we got a different color code going up through.
Yeah. But if it's the same, it'll be fine.
If it's the same.